Now let's discuss about thrombocytes, that is the blood platelets. When we talk about blood platelets, they are actually the cell fragments. You cannot call them actually the cells. They are what? They are actually the cell fragments. If we talk about the number, there are 1.5 lakh to 3.5 lakh of blood platelets per millimeter cube of the blood. So their number is actually between those of RBCs and WBCs. They are smaller in number than RBCs, but they are larger in number than WBCs, right? And increase in the number of thrombocytes results in a condition that we call as thrombocytosis, and decrease in the number of thrombocytes, that is the blood platelets, we call the condition as thrombocytopenia. Next we talk about the shape of thrombocytes. They are rounded, oval, disc-like cell fragments, right, and the size is approximately 2 to 3 micrometer in diameter. So they are very small as compared to RBCs and WBCs. They are colorless, they are flat, non-nucleated fragments. They don't have any nucleus, just like RBCs. WBCs have a nucleus, but thrombocytes and red blood cells, they are what? They are non-nucleated. But these are what? These are the fragments. They are not actual cells. These are the fragments of the cells. They have bits of protoplasm that is bounded by a membrane and contain few cell organelles and secretory granules in the cytoplasm. And there are the basophilic granules that are there, and these basophilic granules in the center, they give the appearance of a nucleus. So in the center, the basophilic granules are there, they give the appearance of the presence of a nucleus, but they don't have a true nucleus. They are non-nucleated. And when we talk about the formation of thrombocytes, they are formed from the megakaryocytes. These are very big cells of the bone marrow. So you can say thrombopoiesis means the formation of thrombocytes. It is by the megakaryocytes, which are very big cells present in the bone marrow. Then the lifespan of thrombocytes or blood platelets is just about a week. You can call, say, around 7 to 9 days, right, approximately. And the function of these platelets, these thrombocytes, is it releases some platelet factors. For example, thromboplastin, which helps in blood clotting. So the major role of these thrombocytes is in blood clotting. It is in blood clotting. Here I have one electron microscopic view of these thrombocytes blood. You can see that they are actually not exactly the cells, they are the cell fragments, right, and their size is very small when you compare it with RBCs or WBCs, and they actually are flat, non-nucleated. Only you can say you can have an appearance of nucleus just because of the basophilic granules that are there in the center. They just give appearance of a nucleus, right, and they form from the big cell, that is megakaryocytes, from the bone marrow. The process of formation of thrombocytes we call as thrombopoiesis, and the lifespan is approximately about a week, 3 to 9 days, and the main function of platelets, thrombocytes, is in what? It is blood clotting, right. So this is an electron microscopic view of these thrombocytes, the blood platelets. So thrombocytosis is a condition when there is increase in the number of thrombocytes, and thrombocytopenia is a condition when there is decrease in the number of thrombocytes. So I hope that thrombocytes is clear. Now let's see an animation where we will actually summarize all the formed elements of the blood.